India won her freedom over 6 decades ago. Today, we are ranked along with China and Brazil as the future 3 superpowers of the world. But in the imbalance between urban and rural development lies our greatest weakness. A large percentage of our people continue to be underfed, undereducated, and underemployed, literally living in the dark ages. We have won our political freedom, but not freedom from hunger and poverty. SKS Chakshu Foundation, a non-profit organization, was set up to join the efforts to reverse this trend, dedicated to the betterment of lives of our villagers, with an ambitious plan to secure them their self-reliance. It was founded by the ex-senior president of Century Rayon, Shri Nirbhay Jain, in 1993, in memory of his late mother who had been visually impaired. So SKS Chakshu Foundation began its mission of helping the rural poor by providing them the gift of vision. This hospital, adjacent to Nere village, Panvel Taluka, is run by a reputed charitable trust. As partners in service, it was provided with sophisticated ophthalmic equipment by Chakshu Foundation and Rotary International. Vans bring patients from far-flung Adivasi villages. With vision restored, they go back home with the miracle of sight. The next community need tackled by SKS Chakshu Foundation was a major revamping of rural education, particularly for girls. A Zilla Parishad school in Shivkar village was taken over as Rakesh Jain Madhyamik Vidyalaya and given a total makeover. Over 450 students study here in clean and modern surroundings. Computer classes and audiovisual teaching aids are provided. The success rate at SSC exams is consistently above 90% compared to 45% average of rural schools in India. 46% of the students are girls from nearby villages. This is now one of the few schools in India which is offering a special syllabus for vocational training in classes 8, 9 and 10. Students are taught 24 different vocations under Introduction to Basic Technology program. Blood grouping, electronics, craftwork, and cooking. Even organic farming and welding. Those passing out get reserved quota seats in the government-run Industrial Technical Institute in nearby Panvel. To improve education at grassroots level, SKS Chakshu Foundation runs Balwadis for the children of the tribal folk. But a major problem encountered was what to do with the large number of rural school dropouts. They become social outcasts, frustrated and with no hope for earning a decent living. SKS Chakshu Foundation started the Chaitanya Kendra in association with Kotak Education Foundation at Akurli near Panvel to impart a well-planned livelihood and training program to launch well-paid careers for 10th and 12th pass students as well as school dropouts. The courses helps them gain tremendous self-confidence as well as skills in areas such as hospitality and retail marketing industry. Annually, about 100 students get ready employment starting at 5,000 to 6,000 rupees per month without having to move from their village homes. Chakshu Foundation has also been a major force behind empowerment of women by training them to form self-help groups. Women who hardly had 10 or 20 rupees to their credit 2 years ago now easily earn 2,000 to 3,000 rupees per month by working in various income generation activities for just a few hours per day. Through ceaseless efforts, more than 150 such women's groups with total membership of over 2,000 have been formed in about 40 villages. We are increasingly active in widening areas of rural need, such as medical aid posts in remote villages, like drilling 48 borewells in mostly tribal villages to ensure supply of clean drinking water, thereby also help minimize infant mortality due to waterborne diseases. The crowning glory of our efforts so far has been funding land and construction cost of buildings for a college for vocational and career education. An MOU has been signed whereby University of Mumbai will take over administration and operations, one of the first to be located right where it is needed most, in the rural heart of Maharashtra near Panvel. Yet a lot remains to be done. SKS Chakshu Foundation is determined to continue its mission and expand activities with unceasing effort in the coming months. Starting a junior college 11 and 12 for arts at Shivkar village. Starting the College for Vocational and Career Education under Bombay University. Commencing primary classes 1 to 4 in English medium at our school. Empowering another 1,000 housewives through training in self-help groups. But what we need most is your timely support and financial help. For our guiding mantra is, I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. Please come, join hands with SKS Chakshu Foundation. Help us secure a happier, brighter, more self-reliant future for rural India tomorrow.